We were discussing about topic tax. Yesterday class was stopped because of some problem, and again we are continuing the same exercise related to topic tax from our exercise of book of CDC. Yesterday, according to our discussion, we need some more questions from the exercise, but I think we'll revise after finishing all the questions from our book. Then we'll do the revision from 10 sets or from any other practice books.
Okay, sir.
So to go towards the mistake, we did questions up to question number 4A, I think. 4A or 4B last week. Last week, the day. 4A. So I said to complete remaining questions. Look at question number 4D now. The market price of camera is rupees 16,000. If the camera is sold with 15% discount and 13% VAT, then find the amount of VAT. Market price of camera is given at first. It is given here. Second thing, discount percent, and third one is VAT percent. By using these three given values, we have to find out the amount of VAT. It's not a difficult question. It's a simple question in which market price is given, and we know if market price is given as well as discount percentage also given, we can find out the SP, and after finding selling price, if VAT percent rate of VAT is also given, then we can find out the amount of VAT. First market price दिएको बाट 15% discount minus गरिसकेपछि selling price अनुसार त्यो selling price को 13% निकाल्यो भने that will be our VAT amount. VAT amount is equal to what? Discount percent is 15%, VAT percent is 13%. This is given to us and VAT amount is asked to us. तीनटा value दिएर discount percent, sorry, VAT amount find out गर्न भनेको छ. And we have formula selling price is equal to market price minus discount percent of market price. So put the values now. Value of market price is 16,000 and value of discount percent is 15%. Again, market price it is 16,000. Now do calculations here. Market price 16,000 minus 15%. 15 by 100 into 16,000. 16,000 minus 15 by 100. 0, 2 zeros we can cancel out from here, and 15 into 160. That we have to find out. 16,000 minus 2,400. Again subtracting.
13,600.
It is 13,600.
Yes, sir.
Price. Now next thing that we have to calculate is VAT amount, and we know the formula of VAT amount, that is VAT percent of selling price. SP calculate गर्न भनेको थिएन क्वेशनमा, तर SP calculate गर्यौं. Why we calculated this is we need SP to calculate the VAT amount. VAT amount calculate गर्नको लागि SP necessary छ. Because of that reason, we calculated SP here. 13% of 13,600, and it is 13 by 100 of 13,600. 0, 0 cancel, multiply 13 and 136, and you will get the required answer. Find out its
1,768.
1,768. 760.
68, sir.
Okay.
Sir, but in answer, that answer sets there is different answers.
So what is given there?
15,368.
15,000.
Yes, sir. That may be wrong, sir. Answers.
That is the SP with VAT. 13,600 ma 1,768 add gar rahe hai, that will be 15,000 something, and that is the SP with VAT, not VAT amount. Our question is the find out the VAT amount. हामीलाई VAT amount सोधेको छ, हामीले SP with VAT निकालेर होला त? No. So there is
yes, sir. That is SP with VAT. Yeah.
There is mistake in answer. See, this is our required answer. एसईमा आउने क्वेसन भनेको यस्तै हुन्। कुनै लाइनमा कहीँनिर बुझिएन भने यति सानो कुरा पनि सरलाई के सोधिराख्ने भन्ने चुपचाप बस्ने होइन, अथवा साथीहरूले के भन्ने हुन्, सरले के भन्नुहुने हो त्यसो सोचेर बस्ने नै होइन। यु आर 10 क्लास स्टुडेन्ट, so don't think in that way. If you don't have any problem, let's move to next question. Question number 5A. Pemba bought a television set with 14% VAT after 15% discount for rupees 7,203.75. What will be the actual price of TV? Also find the VAT amount. First thing given here is 13% VAT. Second thing given is discount percentage 15%. Third thing given to us is rupees 7,203.75. What amount is this? The amount बने क्या होला था?
SP with VAT.
That is SP with VAT.
SP with VAT. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
13% VAT, 15% discount पछि यतिमा टिभी किन्यो भनेको छ. So it is selling price. Question is, what will be the actual price of TV? Actual price means माग price.
SP.
अथवा market price अथवा fixed price. त्यसलाई हामी actual price भन्छौँ. MP or fixed price or market price are called actual price. त्यसमा discount दिएर VAT add गरिन्छ. Also find the VAT amount. Two questions are asked to us. One thing is to find out the market price. Another thing is VAT amount. So write the given things. Given things are VAT percent is 13% and discount percent is 15%. Selling price with VAT is rupees 7,203.75. We have to find out the market price as well as VAT amount. This is the given thing from question and the thing asked to us. Now use the formula for SP with VAT because SP with VAT is given. And I already said there is another method also in which you can let MPPX run success. And you can start with SP is equal to MP minus discount percent of MP. And after that you can use formula of SP with VAT is equal to SP plus VAT percent of SP. By taking amount of actual price, market price X. X man you can look that method in your book. And this is another method which I am using here. Selling price with VAT is equal to selling price plus VAT percent of SP. I use this because selling price with VAT is given to us. Put values. Selling price with VAT is 7,203.75. Selling price, we don't have value of selling price. We have value of VAT percent. It is 13% of selling price. So now find out the value of 13% of selling price. That is 13 by 100 into SP. Other things remain
0.13.
0.13. SP plus 0.13 SP. That means 1 SP plus 0.13 SP. What will be their sum?
1.13.
0.13 SP. It is 1.13.
Yes, sir.
Now to get value of SP, divide 7,203.75 by 1.13. Divide kara. You will get the value
Sir,
of
it's
SP.
6,277.
Divided by 1.13. It is rupees 6,375. Now, if we know selling price, we can find out VAT amount, VAT percent of SP. And another thing is also there that we have to find out is market price. To find out the market price, we can use this formula of selling price. Selling price calculate very second. Discount percent diएको छ, and by using this formula we will easily get value of market price. SP is 6,375 is equal to market price minus discount percent is 15% of market price. Now find out the value of 15%. 15 divided by 100. What is its
0.15.
0.15. 6,375 is equal to market price minus 0.15 into market price. What will be its-
0.85 m.
Yes,
That is 0.85 m.
0.85. 1 minus 0.15. 0.85. Again, divide this 6,375 by 0.85 to get the value of market price.
7,500.
Rupees 7,500. This is market price. And that amount, it is VAT percent of selling price. And we can use another method also. You know, that amount is equal to SP with VAT minus SP. You can use this formula also. That percent of SP is Nagarra. That amount is equal to SP with VAT minus SP. Difference between SP with VAT and SP is VAT amount. यसरी पनि निकाल्न सकिन्छ. You can use any of these two formula, either VAT percent of SP to find out VAT amount or SP with VAT minus SP, because we have both values. दुईटै भ्यालु हामीसँग छ. SP with VAT पनि छँदैछ र SP पनि छँदैछ. If we have both values, we can use this formula also. So I think this should be easier. यो फर्मुला युज गर्दा अलि सर्ट हुन्छ. किन सर्ट हुन्छ? यसमा सब्ट्र्याक्सन मात्रै गर्नुपर्ने छ. SP with VAT is 7,203.75 minus selling price. What is selling price?
6,375.
2,375. And find out the difference.
828.75.
It is
828.75.
828.75. This is our required answer by the different formula. Then we have written here. माथि लेखेको भन्दा फरक formula use गर्दा यस्तो हुन्छ. And by the use of formula which I have written here, 14% of 6,375. Again, we will get the same answer, 828.75. So by both methods, answer are same. Only you have to choose which you want to use. That percent of SP or difference between SP with VAT and SP. Do anyone have any confusion in this solution? Once all of you look at whole solution and you may ask question to me. Don't have any question?
No questions.
So if there is no problem, let's move to next one. Question number 5D. A photocopy machine was sold at 12% discount with 13% VAT. If the customer paid rupees 3,57,984, then find VAT amount and discount amount. So again, question is similar, but in case of market price, it is said to find out the discount amount. 12% discount is given to customer and 13% VAT is added on the bill. Selling price ma 13% VAT add भयो. त्यति भइसकेपछि at last customer paid rupees 3,57,984 rupees. त्यति customer ले final pay गरेको amount हो. That means selling price with VAT is given to us. And question is find the VAT amount and discount amount. Two questions are asked to us. So at first write given things. Given things are discount percent is 12%, VAT percent is 13%, SP with VAT is 3,57,984, and discount amount is asked to us. VAT amount is also asked to us. What is the formula if SP with VAT is given, SP with VAT दिएको बेला SP with VAT को फर्मुला के हुन्छ त? Can anyone tell?
SP plus VAT.
SP plus VAT percent of SP or
VAT percent of SP.
VAT amount. Okay, SP with VAT is equal to SP plus VAT percent of SP. Put values. SP with VAT is 3,57,984 is equal to selling price plus 13% of selling price. Again, find out value of 13 by 100. Similar to previous one up to now. 3,57,984 is equal to SP plus 13 by 100. What is its value?
0.13.
0.13 and add it with 1 यतापट्टि SP भनेको 1 SP हो. After adding it with 1 SP, it will be 1.13 SP. And to find out the value of selling price, divide this 3,57,984 by 1.13. You will get the answer of selling price. You will get the value of selling price now. Calculate it.
3,16,800. 16,800.
Okay, this is the selling price. Now, after getting selling price, use formula of selling price to find out the MP. SP को formula use गरेर MP निकाल्नु पर्यो. अब जस्तो SP VAT दिएको थियो त्यसकै formula use गर्यौं. अब हामीले SP निकालिसकेपछि SP कै formula use गर्यौं. Just remember it. SP is equal to MP minus discount percent of MP. And we know the value of SP, 3,16,800, and we don't know the value of MP. We know value of discount percent. SP छ, MP छैन, discount percent हामीसँग छ. So put the values which we have. This is the value of SP, selling price 3,16,800. Mark price we don't have, minus 12% of mark price, and find out the value of 12% now. 12 by 100.
0.12.
0.12 and subtract it from 1. Why to subtract it from 1?
0.88.
0.88.
Because MP means 1 MP. 3,16,800 is equal to MP minus 0.12 MP. It becomes 0.88. Now to find out MP, divide this 3,16,800 by 0.88.
3,60,000.
3,60,000. This is the market price. Up to now, we get two values. Two values means one SP and another MP. But we have to calculate discount amount as well as VAT amount. You duita value nikalnu parne. So to find out these two values, we have to use formula for these two, for discount amount as well as for VAT amount. So VAT amount, simply as I used this formula previously, VAT amount is equal to SP with VAT minus SP. We know the value of SP with VAT, 3,57,984. Subtract selling price from it, 3,16,800. 3,57,984 minus 3,16,800. All of you subtract it.
41184.
41,184.
41,184. This is VAT amount. Similarly, we have to find out discount amount also. So for discount amount also there are two formula. As like for VAT amount we have two formula. One VAT percent of SP. Another is SP with VAT minus SP. For discount amount also there are two formula. Discount amount को एउटा formula के हुने भयो त? MP minus SP. Difference between market price and selling price, that is discount amount, and another formula is discount percent of MP.
Percent of
Formula is either you can find out the difference between MP and SP. MP minus SP is discount amount, and another is discount percent of MP. So we know the formula of discount amount. It is market price minus selling price Market price is 3,60,000 minus selling price is 3,16,800 and their difference is rupees 43,200. This is our required answer. Did you have any problem in it?
Yes, sir. No problem.
No problem. If there is no problem, look at next question. The price of calculator is rupees 3,000 excluding 13% VAT in the shop A. एउटा पसलमा क्याल्कुलेटरको प्राइस VAT बाहेक without VAT. That means VAT is not added on it. It means it is SP only. It is 3,000. Price of calculator is 3,000 excluding 13% VAT. That means VAT is not added on it. While its price is rupees 3,277 including VAT in shop B. अर्को पसलमा त्यसै क्याल्कुलेटरको प्राइस VAT समेत after adding that the price of calculator is 3,277. Now question is which shop is cheaper and by how much? कुन चाहिँ पसल सस्तो रहेछ र कतिले सस्तो रहेछ? How you will do it?
Sir, we have to find the better amount of A shop and then add it to 3,000 and then check which one.
Yes, by adding that amount to price of shop A, पहिलो पसलको जुन प्राइस छ त्यसमा VAT amount एड गरेपछि सेकेन्ड शपको भन्दा शप बी को भन्दा बढी हुन्छ कि कम हुन्छ त्यति मात्रै चेक गर्नु.
Yes, sir. Shop B is cheaper.
Okay. Let's check it. VAT percent is 13% given to us. Process of solution. In process of solution, there must be solution. यहाँ के न के लेखेकै हुनुपर्छ. I left it. Sorry for it. VAT percent is 13%. So for shop A, selling price is 3,000. Selling price with VAT we have to find out for shop A, and we know the formula. SP with VAT is equal to SP plus VAT percent of SP. That is 3,000 plus 13% of 3,000. Calculate it. 13% of 3,000.
390.
Yes, 390. Zeros are cancelled. And after that, 14 into 30. It is 3,000 plus 390.
Yes.
3,390. And for shop B, SP with VAT is rupees 3,277. Just we can compare these two. बाकी के गर्नु पर्दैन, यो दुईटालाई कम्पेयर गर्ने मात्रै हो. Which one is cheaper? यो दुईटा मध्ये कुन चाहिँ सस्तो छ? Shop B is cheaper.
Yes, sir.
To say shop B is cheaper by कतिले सस्तो छ त? 3,390 minus 3,277. Find out their difference. It is rupees 113. Our required answer. Do anyone have any confusion in it?
No, sir.
Let's move to next question, 6D. Amrit bought a smartwatch for rupees 23,391. If he gets 10% discount of amount rupees 2,300, find the rate of VAT. Question is clear to you all?
Yes, sir.
अमृतले एउटा घडी किन्दा स्मार्ट वाच किन्दा रुपीस 23,391 पर्यो उलाई. Total final price, that means SP with VAT, selling price with VAT is rupees 23,391. If he gets 10% discount, that means discount percent is 10%. Discount of amount rupees 2,300. What is its meaning? If he gets 10% discount of amount 2,300.
It is discount amount. Is it?
Is this discount amount?
No. 10% off.
Yes, discount percent is 10% and discount amount is 2,300. The 10% of market price is 2,300 1 ago. And find the rate of VAT. We have to find out VAT percent. Given things are discount percent is 10%, selling price with VAT is 2,391, discount amount is 2,300, and we have to find out the VAT percent, the rate of VAT. So for given discount percent and discount amount, if discount percent as well as discount amount are given, we can say discount amount is equal to discount percent of market price, and from it we will get value of MP market price. Put values of discount amount 2,300 is equal to 10% of market price, or 2,300 is equal to 10 by 100 of market price. What is value of 10 by 100?
0.1.
0.1. Now to find out MP, 2,300 like 0.1 ने divide करा
23,000.
23,000 rupees. This is the market price of the smartwatch. In smartwatch अमृत ले किने को त्यसको market price रहेछ 23,000. Now to find out VAT amount, find out SP and then rate of VAT we have to find out. त्यसको लागि SP निकाला फर्स्ट मा. SP is equal to market price minus discount amount. Market price is 23,000 and discount amount is already given in question. Market price but discount minus garda SPI also subtract it.
20,700.
20,700. That is selling price. And SP with VAT is given. Selling price पनि हामीले calculate गरिसक्यौं. SP with VAT is given, then we can find out the VAT amount. VAT amount निकालिसकेपछि rate of VAT निकाल्न सजिलै निकाल्न सक्छौं by using formula SP with VAT minus SP. This is the VAT amount 23,391 minus 20,700. Calculate its value by subtracting it.
2,691.
Okay, 2,691. Now calculate its percentage with corresponding to selling price. यसलाई यसको percentage निकाल्नु पर्ने हो अनि VAT amount केसँग related छ? It is related to SP. It is calculated from SP. So rate of VAT, VAT percent, its formula is VAT amount divided by selling price into 100%. This is the formula. VAT amount divided by SP into 100%. 2,691 divided by 20,700 into 100%. Calculate the value inside the bracket and multiply it by 100%.
13%.
13%.
13%.
Yeah.
Okay. This is our required answer. Okay, it is completed for you. This is question number, which one? 6D we did just now. Maybe it is 7B.
Yes, sir, it is 7.
Number. Then this much for today. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.